Hello friends, I'm Scratch389, and welcome to From Scratch389, a series in which I learn things from scratch and you get to learn alongside me. I've wanted to start a YouTube channel for a while now, but I've never made a YouTube channel or posted a video before, ever. Don't know what that is. How do I go back? No. Sorry, I had to. So what did I do? I made a whole YouTube channel and video about it, of course. And hey, I managed to pull it off. Sick. Alright. We might have something here. And there we go. I'm Scratch3. Alright. But how did I do it? Let's get started with the things I had to learn before recording this video. First, in order to upload a YouTube video, you're going to need a few things. A YouTube channel, a video recording software, and a video editing software. Thankfully, these things are pretty easy to get for free, especially a YouTube channel. For that, you just have to make a Google account, go to youtube.com, and click Create Channel under your profile picture in the top right of the screen. Once this is done, it will bring you to your channel page where you can customize your channel to your liking. After making your channel, I'd recommend you download these two softwares: OBS Studios for video recording, and DaVinci Resolve for video editing. Once you've gotten these two softwares, you're ready to go. And so was I. Upon first looking at OBS Studios, I was able to find all of the functions I needed, like the record button, the file pathing for my recorded videos, my audio input with added noise suppression filters, and the start-stop recording hotkey, that too. It works. It works! When I pressed record, it would take audio input from both my microphone and my computer audio, though I found that you can adjust those levels with these sliders here. After figuring out all I needed to know on OBS, I then moved to DaVinci Resolve to figure out how to video edit. After finding out how to create a new project, I got to work. First, I needed to import my video files I recorded from OBS to use in DaVinci, which I found you could do using these two buttons up here. Once the video files were in, I dragged my first test clip into the software. It was beautiful. After fumbling around with the cut tool, you move it the other way. If I click the scissor right here, I figured out how to cut pieces of a video up. At this point, I figured I was ready to start my real project, my intro video. When it came to making my intro video, all the clips I had to work with were clips from my other video that I was making on the making of the intro video itself. Confusing, I know, but work with me here. Using these clips and trying to figure out how folders work. Why is there another... What happened? I'm gonna have to learn how... Oh, those are the folders! Look at me, I'm learning. I got to work making my intro video. I recorded the audio for my intro, made the video for that audio not show using this button here, and started laying clips over the top to show a nice example of what I'd worked on so far. I could have stopped there, but had I really learned that much? Not really. I needed to add background music and scene transitions, and then fade the video to black at the end. Did I know how to do any of that? No. But hey, that's what Google's for. I was able to find out where to get background music that wasn't royalty-free. I ended up using Bensound.com. Nah. Why I feel like I'm looking through ringtones. Wow. I think I like it. How to fade out both audio and visuals. Okay, I figured it out. So, you see this little white spot here on the clip? That will do a fade out. Though, my first time, I hope you enjoy. Did it backwards. Come along for the ride. I just thought it was funny. I needed to show you. Okay, so if I do it like this instead... Okay, cool. And I can do the same with the audio. Sick. And how to make transitions between scenes. So turns out, there's an effects button. Okay. Alright. Turns out, there's video transitions, and this, you don't click, you just drag. So, what if I did... I don't think that did anything. Video transitions, I could do like active dissolve. Ah, so you put it on a clip. So let's see how this looks. Hello friends, I'm Scratch389, and this channel, neat. And after all of that, my magnum opus was complete. Or so I thought. Turns out, after you're done with a project, you need to render it to actually make it into a video file. Thankfully, I didn't need to consult the internet for this one. I just clicked on this little rocket button here to get to the rendering area. From there, I clicked on this convenient YouTube button, gave the file a name and destination, added it to the queue, and clicked Render All. Since this video is only around a minute long, this was fairly quick. Alright, now my magnum opus was complete, right? Yep. So I had my first video. Great! Now I actually needed to upload it to YouTube. I also needed to make it into what is apparently called a channel trailer. Huh. Uploading a video to YouTube turned out to be fairly simple. Just go to your channel page, click on Manage Videos, click on Upload Video, provide the video file here, fill in the video's name and description, pick a thumbnail here. You can either upload your own or pick one of the auto-generated ones, and answer the questions they give you about your video. I found that a lot of those questions aren't really ones you need to answer though. I kind of got lost in the weeds in my first attempt. No, it does not pay promotion. Do I need to? If you just make sure that your video is sent to public and click upload, and voila! Your YouTube video's out there, ready to be seen by the world. Not a scary thought at all. Just a side note, if you try searching the title of your video in the search bar at first, it might not appear right away. It's not there. This confused me at the time, but apparently the reason this happened was because it was uploaded too soon for me to have looked it up. It's weird. I checked it now, it works. Okay, now I had my introduction video on my channel, but it wasn't my channel trailer yet. I tried to figure this one out on my own, but alas, no dice. Back to Professor Google. Apparently from your channel homepage, you need to click Customize Channel here, Home tab here, then click Add Selection and Channel Trailer. Should be right at the top of the list. Also, be sure to click Publish when you're done editing your channel page for the changes to actually go through. And there you have it. One YouTube channel, complete with a channel trailer. All of this using my very limited knowledge on all of these things. It was a pretty fun process learning how to make a YouTube video and uploading it like this. I might end up doing it some more. Yeah, but seriously, it was pretty easy to pull off. And I'm glad I got the ball rolling. And look, for my first time making a YouTube video, I'd say it was pretty decent. Wouldn't you? Wouldn't you? Please. Well, regardless, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like what you saw, stick around so you can catch the next one. Likely on game development. I've been taking an interest in that lately. Also, if you have any constructive criticism about video making, feel absolutely free to leave it down in the comments. I'm still a novice, and I'm gonna need all the help I can get. Also, catchphrase ideas, or name for my subscribers, or anything really. I mean, Friends is a good name for you all for now, but maybe we can figure something else out? I don't know. Alright, see you next time.